Hello, welcome to Kennco. Today I'm going to introduce to you our PS600 bed mower. This machine is utilized for field cleanup at the end of the season. Typically what farmers will do is mow off their existing crop residue to plant a second crop, or mow off that crop residue to use a plastic retriever to retrieve up the plastic at the end of season. Okay, so the key features of our bed mower, as you can see, everything is adjustable. You can raise or lower our gauge wheels and raise or lower the gauge roller. This gauge roller's purpose is to ensure that no blades touch plastic whatsoever. It will keep the blades off the ground. We have 18 blades on the machine that are heat treated and double-sided. So when one side wears out, flip the bolt, flip the blade, and you have a new blade. We also have a 540 PTO shaft, as you can see, that comes with the machine. Probably the biggest key feature is the fact that it is great and not solid steel across the board. This way you won't have a vacuum effect sucking up the plastic into the blades, ensuring that plastic is good for another season. Now this is a standard Kennco part, but we can also build this custom if need be. A machine that complements this bed mower very nicely is a plastic mulch retriever, which we will discuss in a different video. If you have any questions, please give us a call or visit us at KencoMFG.com.